Okay, we got creating box plots. Now, these box and whisker plots are where we're going with this one variable numerical data. Okay, and what we need to remember is that this point right here, that represents a maximum. And this point right here represents a minimum. And I'll do it in green. This right here represents Q1, magenta. This right here represents Q3, and we'll go yellow. And this represents the median. Okay, so the first thing we can do when we scroll and we're doing this assignment is we have a minimum at 3. You see that right there? And we have a maximum at 18. So that bottom one is out. That one's out. We can just cross that one out because it has a minimum of 2. Then we have a median of 10. So what we want to do is let's box the lower half, box the upper half, box the lower half, box the upper half, box the lower half, and box the upper half. And guess what? This one's out because it has a median of 12, but that median should be 10. That one's out. Okay. Now we look at that Q1. This one has a Q1 of 7. This one has a Q1 of 8. This one has a Q3 of 13. This one has a Q3 of 13. Q3 is indeed 13. But Q1 is 7. Q1 is 7. So we got our answer. It's going to be B. Let's do one more. Okay, so this one slightly different, but they give us a minimum point right there. And so that should be 25. All of them match. They give us a maximum of 38. All of them match. I'm going to go ahead and box the lower half. Box the upper half. So we should have a Q1 and a Q3 of 35. This one, and of 29. They all have that. So now what's the median? The median, remember, we have 2 middle numbers. So let's do our median right here. We got 30 plus 34 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 64 divided by 2, which is 32. So our median is 32. So with that being said, this is the right answer. So you basically are matching the values that we're finding with the box plots or matching the box plots. But you got to have a strong understanding of Q1, Q3, and all of those things.